Hey everybody, it's Jammin Jenn. My name is Jennifer Pact Goodman and I am a music therapist here in Watchung, New Jersey. I'm so excited to be teaching you some life skills. Everything that you're going to see today is original, and I really took some time to think about things that I think are really important to know. But before we do anything, I want to tell you a little bit about myself. So, what is music therapy? Music therapy is working with people with any developmental delay. It could be a speech delay, it could be a traumatic brain injury, anywhere from the ages of birth all the way up to the elderly. At Jammin Jenn, we work with all ages. And here in my studio, we see children and adults weekly where they come in and we work on so many different skills. Some of them are for a child that's nonverbal, expressive language, vocal imitation, turn taking. What are some others? Attending behavior. A lot of times it's very hard to sit and wait and be patient. And we use music, all different sorts of instruments like bells or caterpillar or maracas. We even use drums. But the drums have sticks in them now, so I can't really take those out. We use all sorts of instruments to connect with people with any developmental disability. And I am very pleased to be, and honored, honestly, to be able to make these videos for you. In thinking about life skills, the first thing that came to mind for me was how to be in a kitchen, because I love to cook. So, it's really important when being in the kitchen to know certain skills, right? Like setting a table. So, we are going to first start out with the hello song, which you will see in all of my videos. And then we're going to get to our how to set a table, how to clear a table, how to load a dishwasher, how to take things out of the dishwasher and put them away. And then we're going to do some really yummy songs where we're going to just do fun songs about food. So I hope you enjoy it. And it's been really fun doing this. And let's see how it goes. So my hello song goes like this. I'm Jammin Jenn. Will you be my friend? Let's sing together. I'll sing a song and you'll sing along. Let's have some fun. Now you sing your Jammin Jenn. Will you be my friend? Let's sing together. You'll sing a song and we'll sing along. Let's have so much fun. Here we are in music. Here we are in music. Here we are in music today. I'm Jammin Jenn, will you be my friend? Let's sing together. I'll sing a song, you'll sing along. Let's have so much fun. Your turn. You're Jammin Jenn, will you be my friend? Let's sing together. You'll sing a song, we'll sing along. Let's have so much fun. Let's have so much fun. Learning about being in the kitchen. We're gonna learn how to set a table. We're gonna learn how to clear the table. We're gonna learn how to load the dishes in the dishwasher. We're gonna learn how to take them out and carefully put them away. And then we'll sing some songs about yummy food. let's get started. I don't know if you're excited, but I know I am. So, the first thing we do when we are in a kitchen is we've got to set the table. Now, you always want to be really careful because you don't want to break a plate. So, we look at this picture that I've printed out for you, and let's talk about this first. What is this? Everyone say it. Napkin. Let's try it again. Napkin. Good. And fork. Great. And plate. Good. Knife. And spoon. Let's say it again together. Napkin. Fork. Plate. Knife. Spoon. Now, let's make sure we have all those things. Napkin, fork, plate, knife, and spoon. Now, you have to be really careful when you have a knife. These knives are a little sharp. So whenever you're holding them to walk to the table, you always hold them down like this. Even the butter knife, always hold it down. Okay, so we're gonna learn a song about how to set a table. First, I'll teach you the song, and then we'll set the table together, okay? So it goes like this. Get ready. Hey diddle diddle, the plate is in the middle. The cow jumped over the moon. The fork is on the left, the knife is on the right, on the inside of the spoon. Really silly, right? Let's try it again. Hey diddle diddle, the plate is in the middle. The cow jumped over the moon. The fork is on the left, the knife is on the right, on the inside of the spoon. All right, I think you're getting it now. Last time, and then we'll set the table, okay? Here we go. Hey diddle diddle, the plate is in the middle. The cow jumped over the moon. The fork is on the left, the knife is on the right, and inside of the spoon, inside of the spoon. Okay guys, are you ready? So, I forgot to mention that when you're setting a table, it's really great to have a placemat. So, here's the placemat, and then the plate goes right in the, what do we say? The plate is in the middle, right? And we said the cow jumped over the moon. The fork is on the left. The knife is on the right. On the inside of the spoon. And that's our table setting. It's all falling down, but here we go. Can you guys see it okay? There we go. I'll sing it one more time for you now, okay? I put it on a little chair because I obviously don't have a table here. So let's sing it together now. You ready, guys? Let's turn this. Is that better? Okay, here we go. Hey diddle diddle, the plate is in the middle. The cow jumped over the moon. The fork is on the left, the knife is on the right, on the inside of the spoon. So here we go. The fork is on the left, the knife is on the right, on the inside of the spoon. And I hope you guys liked that song about setting the table. Now, there's one thing Jammin Jenn forgot. The napkin. So, we always put the fork on the napkin just like this. The fork on the napkin, just like this. The fork goes on the napkin, just like this. When you're setting the table. Now some people may put it in the middle of the plate to be a little fancy, like that. But I like to put my fork on my napkin just like this. And that's how you set a table. All right, I think we're gonna get into some real fun now. So I'm gonna put this picture away, and that's our setting the table. Let's go over it one more time. We've got the napkin, fork, the plate, the knife, and the spoon. Perfect. Now, we're gonna sing a song about clearing the table. So when everybody is sitting around the table, you wanna ask some things first. First, and I'm gonna sing it, but first let's talk about it. First, we're gonna ask if everyone's finished for you to clean the table. And the first thing you do is you take off the napkin. Then we take the plates. Then we take a walk to the garbage and throw the napkin away. Then we place the plate right in the sink. And then we think. Next, we go back to the table and take all the food off, nice and slow. And you pat yourself on the back. You say, I'm doing a great job. All right, so I think we should just try it. Are you ready to learn it? All the lyrics are written by Jammin Jenn. I just used the tune London Bridges. Goes like this. First, ask if everyone's finished. Everyone's finished. Everyone's finished. First, we ask if everyone's finished. When we clear the table, and that's London Bridges falling down. You got it? First, we ask if everyone's finished. Everyone's finished. Sing it. Everyone's finished. First, we ask if everyone's finished for me to clean the table. Let's do that again, because I think you're really getting it. First, we ask if everybody's finished. Everybody's finished. Everybody's finished. First, we ask if everybody's finished when we clean the table. All right. Who remembers what was next? Right, the napkins. Next, we take all of the napkins, all of the napkins, all of the napkins. Next, we take all of the napkins and walk over to the garbage. Yes. So the next thing we do is take the napkins. Let's do it again. Next, we take all of the napkins, all of the napkins, all of the napkins. Next, we take all of the napkins, walk over to the garbage and throw them away. You guys got it. Good. Then take a walk back to the table. All right, so let's think. The first thing we did was we asked if everyone's finished. Everyone's finished. Everyone's finished. First, we asked if everyone's finished when we clean the table. Then we went to. Then we take all of the napkins. All of the napkins. Then we take all of the napkins and walk over to the garbage and throw them away. And then we go and take the plates, take the plates, take the plates. Then we go and take the plates and bring them over to the sink. Sing it. Then we go and take the plates, take the plates, take the plates. Then we go and take the plates and put them in the sink. put them in the sink. And then we think. Oh yes, we think. All right, let's go back to the beginning of our song about clearing the table. First, we ask if everyone's finished. Everyone's finished. Is everybody finished? First, we ask if everyone's finished for me to clean the table. Then we take all of the napkins, then we take all of the napkins and walk over to the garbage and throw them away. Who remembers what was next? The plates. Then we go and take all the plates. Take all the plates. Then we go and take all the plates. What do we do with the plates after we take them? No, we don't throw them. We put them in the sink very carefully. Put them in the sink. And then we think. Next, we go back to the table to get more stuff. Next, we go back to the table to get more stuff. And then we take the food off the table nice and slow. And back and forth we go, and back and forth we go. Back and forth we go to the table, getting all of the food, until the table is clean. Now you pat yourself on your back, feeling proud. And you look, and the table is clean. You cleared the table. The table is clean. Wow, guys. All right. That was great. That was a lot of fun to sing, too. You know, as I was writing this, I was thinking, oh, my goodness, this is, how do I write a song about clearing a table and setting a table? And I took a lot of time thinking about it. And I think it works when you have visuals. So moms and dads, when you're working with your children on how to do this, you want to look at the video, take your time, push pause, go back, have them sing with Jammin Jenn. So that was great. Okay, so let's go back a little bit. We set the table, we cleared the table, and now who remembers what we have to do next? If you said go to the dishwasher, you are right. Now, it's very important when you're putting things in a dishwasher that you are very organized. You don't want to just put something here and something there and something here and something there. You want to be careful because as you're putting something in the dishwasher, like a plate, for instance, you put it just straight up like that. And what's really cool about a dishwasher is it really shows you just how to do it. All of these areas are for the plates. So you go right in there. And then there's a special area right over there for all the utensils. We call these utensils, by the way, right? And you don't have to worry about the napkin because it's in the garbage, okay? So, I know we don't have a cup here today, but that's okay. We can do that another time. Okay, but if you did have a cup, and if it was a plastic one, you would recycle it. And if you had a cup or a glass, you would put it right on the top. Now I'm realizing I did not bring a glass down here, and I am going to use that in my song. So we'll pretend, for the purposes of my video, that this is a glass, even though it's a plastic cup, okay? And I'm not going to turn it upside down because my water will spill everywhere. But, okay, so we've set the table, we've cleared the table, and now we are going to put the dishes in the dishwasher. Now, I decided to write this song to the tune of Are you sleeping, Brother John? And it goes like this. Must be gentle, careful too, as we wash. Take one plate at a time, wash off all the grime. Dishwasher. Okay, so let's go back now, okay? And what was the most important thing Jammin Jenn said? Must be gentle, right? Careful, because we're holding these plates. And plates could be, they can fall on the ground and then they can crack, and that could be a little dangerous. So we sing it like this. Must be gentle, careful too, as we wash. Take one plate at a time, wash off all the grime. Dishwasher. So after the plates, next the glasses. Take your time. Put it underwater, underneath the water. Dishwasher. Because you always want to rinse something off, like your plate or a cup, because you might be drinking some sticky juice. And if you don't wash out the cup first, it might not get clean in the dishwasher. Let's go back now. Must be gentle, careful too, as we wash. Take one plate at a time, wash off all the grime. Dishwasher. Okay, who remembers what's next? All right, you remembered. It's the glasses. Next the glasses. Take your time. Put it underwater, underneath the water. Dishwasher. All right, we're forgetting something. Take the utensils. Knife, fork, spoon. Wash them underwater. Put them in. Let's go over that one again. Next utensils. Knife, fork, spoon. Wash them underwater. Put them in. And I like to say, when you put them in, never put them up. Because if you fall or anyone ever touches that sharp knife, it could really hurt, even the fork. So let's do that one more time. Next utensils. Go get them. Put them underwater. Put them in. All right, we're almost done with loading the dishwasher. Take the soap. Put it in. Push the button on. O-N, on. On. Dishwasher. Awesome, guys. All right, I think we should go from the beginning. So let's look again. We've got our dishwasher, right? all the different places have a place to go. So we said the plates go on the bottom, right? Right in there. And our cups or glasses go on the top, and we turn them over. But I can't do that because I have water in here. And then we have our utensils, right? What was the special message Jammin Jenn said about these? Who remembers? Right, you have to put them down. You always wash them off and then you put them down because you don't want to get hurt. Okay, are you ready to go from the beginning to do the whole dishwasher song? I am. I think you're ready. Must be gentle, careful too, as we wash. Take one plate at a time. Wash off all the grime. Dishwasher, dishwasher. Next the glasses, wash them off, take your time, put them underwater, underneath the water, dishwasher, dishwasher. You got it, guys. Who remembers what was next? It's a little bit of a tricky word. Utensils, right? Get the utensils, fork, knife, spoon. Fork, knife, spoon. Wash them underwater, underneath the water. Put them in, dishwasher, dishwasher. We're getting our dishes clean. We're learning how to put them in the dishwasher. And we're feeling proud. We're learning how to load the dishwasher. The plates, the glasses, and the utensils. We're being gentle. We're being careful. We're loading the dishwasher. All right, guys, I'm so excited for the next part. We're almost done with this one, okay? Next, the soap. Get the soap. Put it in. Open up the bottom. Oh, actually, in this one, it's the top. Slide out the top and put in the soap. Close the door. Find the word. O and on. I'm gonna spell it for you right now. O and on. On. Turn on. And you push the button. All of a sudden, you hear, psh. Can you guys make that sound? Shh. And guess what happens? We're all done, and you hear a beep, beep. And that means that the dishwasher has cleaned our plate, our glass or cup. Big word. Our utensils. And then it's safe to eat on them. But you can't leave your dishes and your plates and your utensils in the dishwasher. Where are we going to put them? In the cabinet. That's right. So guys, the last part of our song today, I'm really excited about this part because I love when my children, when they clean up and then they put the dishes away. Now, Sometimes it might be hard to reach all the way up into the counter, but you just ask your mom and dad or whoever's at your house to help you out, and I'm sure they will. So, our last kitchen skills song today is one that I wrote called Putting the Dishes Away. And then we're going to do some songs about yummy food. But first, this one's really important. Now, I decided to do this song to the ABC song because everybody knows the ABC song. Are you ready? Okay. Get ready. One long beep means they're all done. Time to put the dishes away. So some dishwashers might go like this. Beep. And I consider that a good beep. Some might go, whoop. I don't know, whatever your dishwasher does. Mine goes really high. Wait, let me do it again. That's the sound of my dishwasher when it's finished. One long beep. One long beep means they're all done. Time to put the dishes away. Take the glasses from the... Who remembers where those glasses were? The top. Take your time. Do not rush. Open up the cabinet, put them in nice and slow. Glasses are first. Okay, let's do it again. One long beep means they're all done. Time to put the dishes away. Take the glasses from the top. Take your time. Do not rush. Open up the cabinet. Put them in nice and slow. Nice and slow. Good, guys. Take the dishes one at a time. Open up the cabinet. Put them in 1, 2, 3, 4. Careful not to drop them on the floor. Next is the utensils, spoons and forks and knives. Putting away the dishes. Putting away utensils. Putting away glasses. Emptying out the dishwasher. Good job, guys. You guys are so smart. Try to do this from the beginning. Let's try it. One long beep means they're all done. Time to put the dishes away. Take the glasses from the top. Take your time. Do not rush. Open up the cabinet. Put them in nice and slow. Glasses. Take the dishes one at a time. Open up the cabinet, put them in 1, 2, 3, 4. Careful not to drop them on the floor. Next are the utensils, spoons, forks, and knives. Putting away the dishes. Putting away the dishes. Look, you did it. Look, you did it. You set the table. You cleared the table. You put them in the dishwasher. You emptied the dishwasher. You put them in the cabinet. Nice and gentle. You did it. And those We did it. We did it. We did it. So smart in the kitchen. So careful in the kitchen. So gentle in the kitchen. We did it. Wow. Oh my goodness, guys. I mean, I don't know about you, but I'm having a whole lot of fun. Let's go over everything we did before I teach you some really fun food songs, okay? So, just a quick sip of my water because Jammin Jenn sings a lot. And I always want to make sure my voice is hydrated. Okay, are you ready? We're going to go all the way back. Okay, where'd that marker go? Here it is. All the way back. First thing we did. Who remembers? Placemat, right? And then we put the plate in the middle, right? Fork is on the left. And the knife is on the right. And who remembers what's next to the knife? That's right, a spoon. Okay, so we've got, oh, I forgot this. The napkin, right? So there's a napkin, the fork, the plate, the knife, and the spoon. That was how we set our table. Now, let's go over how we cleared the table. First, what do we ask? If everyone was finished, and when everyone was finished, the first thing we took was the napkin. Right? Okay. After we took the napkin, we took the plate. After we took the plate, we put them in the sink. Then we think. Then we went back to the table and we cleared all the food. Let's see. You know what I'll make right now? Just pretend. Little watermelon. Maybe it's on the table. Oh, I know I love this one. Maybe a pint of ice cream, right? Yum. Maybe some chicken drumstick, maybe. Whatever's on your table, you want to take it off and put it right in the garbage. Or you can put it in the disposal. And then we said, once you did it, you're feeling really proud and you pat yourself on the back. Then, who remembers where we went next? Oh, not that one. Sorry. Dishwasher, right? Okay. So we went to the dishwasher, and the first thing we did was we took one plate at a time. And do you remember where we put it? Right in the bottom. Very gently, remember? After we took the plate, we went back, and what did we get? The glass, right? Not the best picture, but I could sing. I'm not the greatest drawer. That's a glass. Or if you're having coffee. Oh, that looks like an ear, but I'm trying to make a coffee cup. Anyway, you get the picture. You take the glass, you put it on the top very gently. After we do that, as we're loading the dishes, who remembers what's the last one besides the soap? The utensils, right? And you remember what those were? Let's go over those. What was this one? Fork, right. Fork. This one. And the sharp one. And Jammin Jenn said you hold them down. And that's called a knife, right? Knife. And then the last utensil was this one. Remember what this is called? The spoon, of course. So I like to spell it for you. I love teaching people how to spell and learn too. Okay. Well, you guys are pretty much experts. Let's quickly go over what happened after the dishwasher was finished. Do you remember the sound the dishwasher made when we knew it was done? Beep, right? Okay, so when we knew that the dishwasher was done, we went over and we took everything out one at a time. The first thing we did, we took the glasses or the cups out from the top. We took them out, we opened the cabinet, and we put them in. Now, if I wasn't drinking my water, I would put it upside down, but I can't do that. Then we got the dishes out of the dishwasher, so it was like this. We gently lift it up, open the cabinet, and put it in. And then the last one was this big word that I keep using, but by now I know my friends, you all know it, utensils. That's the last thing you want to do. So you open up the cabinet, and you take your knives. Yeah, you're always careful. Remember Jammin Jenn said you hold them down. And maybe the knives go here. Maybe the spoon goes here. And you just put them in and you match them. So if there's a bunch of forks here, you just take it out and put it right on top. There's a bunch of spoons here, right on top. Knives, right on top. Okay. We did it. We really, really did it. Oh, and I forgot to show you this one, guys, in the beginning. That was us setting the table. Okay. So, now that we've almost done with our video, I can't believe this. That went by so fast. I really think it's time to just sing songs about food, right? I mean, we're in the kitchen. We might as well. Okay, so I decided we're going to sing about some of my favorite foods. And one of them, actually, I'm making it later today, is this. Does anybody know what this is? If you said spaghetti, you're right. Can everyone say that with me? Spaghetti. Let's say it again. Spaghetti. Right, spaghetti and meatballs. Oh, and look at this. Whoever set this table did not do it correctly. They forgot the spoon. And wherever my napkin went, they forgot the napkin. Where does the napkin go, guys? Right underneath the fork. So there you go. On top of spaghetti. Do you know this song? I don't know about you, but this is one of my favorites. So if you do know it, please sing along with me. On top of spaghetti, all covered with cheese, I lost my poor meatball when somebody sneezed. It rolled off the table and onto the floor, and then my poor meatball, it rolled out the door. It rolled into a garden and under a bush, and then my poor meatball was nothing but mush. tree. The tree was all covered with beautiful moss. It grew lovely meatballs and tomato sauce. So if you eat spaghetti all covered with cheese, hold on to your meatball and don't ever sneeze. No, don't ever sneeze. No, don't ever sneeze. Uh-oh. It rolled off the table and onto the floor. My meatball rolled out the door. Then it went into the garden and under a bush. And then my meatball was nothing but mush. But the mush was so tasty, as tasty could be. And early next summer, what did it grow into? A tree. The tree was all covered with beautiful moss. It grew lovely meatballs and tomato sauce. Right. All right, guys. So it's summertime, right? It's nice to eat meatballs and spaghetti. But, especially in Bridgehampton, by the way, I remember because my mom and dad have a house there. Ice cream. I mean, who doesn't like ice cream? If you don't like ice cream, I think you're fooling me. So, let me have one more sip of my water, then we're going to do the ice cream song. Okay. What flavor? Everyone say strawberry. Say it again. Strawberry. Now let's say strawberry ice cream. Say it. Strawberry ice cream. Good. What flavor? Vanilla. Can you say that with me? Vanilla. Now say vanilla ice cream. Try it. Vanilla ice cream. Great. Now this is my favorite. Who knows what this one is? Chocolate. Oh, you know what? I forgot to say sprinkles. Chocolate with sprinkles all over. Oh my goodness. And then some people like to have their ice cream in a cup. I like to have it on a cone. Now, we are going to learn a song today about going to an ice cream shop and getting a special treat. What do you think the treat is? I went to the ice cream shop to get a special treat. 'Cause ice cream is my favorite thing to eat. So many different flavors, so many things to see. And when it was my turn to say, how many scoops for me? I said, one scoop for me, one scoop for me. Yummy ice cream. So let's put that one scoop on. Everyone say, one scoop. Okay. But sometimes one scoop is not enough. So, I went to the ice cream shop to get a special treat. 'Cause ice cream is my favorite thing to eat. So many different flavors, so many things to see. And when it was my turn to say, how many scoops for me? I said, two scoops for me, 2 scoops for me. Yummy ice cream. All right, let's see. 1 scoop of what flavor, guys? Strawberry, right? And 1 scoop of vanilla. 2 scoops. Let's count again. 1 scoop, 2 scoops. 2 scoops for me. By now, I hope you know my song. I went to the ice cream shop to get a special treat. 'Cause ice cream is my favorite thing to eat. So many different flavors, so many things to see. And when it was my turn to say, how many scoops for me? What do you think? We already had 2. So what's after 2? 1, 2, 3. Right. I said 3 scoops, 3 scoops, 3 scoops for me, please. Yummy ice cream. Sing it with me. Yummy ice cream. Yummy ice cream. Now say, yummy in the tummy. Yummy in the tummy. Yummy in the tummy. Yummy ice cream. I went to the ice cream shop to get a special treat, 'cause ice cream is my favorite thing to eat. So many different flavors, so many things to see. When it was my turn to say how many scoops for me, I said, ready? 1 scoop, 2 scoops, 3 scoops. Oh my gosh, so many scoops. 4 scoops. Oh no, I'm gonna get a bellyache. So many scoops for me. Yummy ice cream. All right, guys. Well, I don't know about you, but this was a lot of fun. Let's think. We talked about all of the things that we do in the kitchen before we eat a meal, and then we got to eat 2 of Jammin Jenn's favorite meals, spaghetti and ice cream. I really hope that you enjoyed my video. It was really fun making it, and please check out my website, which is jamminjenn.com. www.jamminjenn.com. You can follow me on Instagram, which is Jammin Jenn, New Jersey. I do a special concert every Sunday morning, 10:30 a.m. It's really geared toward usually much younger kids, but you can always tune in. And the last thing I always sing is this song. Goodbye, my friends, it's time to go. Goodbye, my friends, it's time to go. I'm sad to leave you, I'll see you at my next video. Goodbye, my friends, goodbye. Sing it with me. Goodbye, my friends, it's time to go. Goodbye, my friends, it's time to go. Sad to leave you, I'll see you next time. Goodbye, my friends, goodbye. 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 Be careful in the kitchen. Goodbye. Goodbye, Bridgehampton Library. Thanks again for having me. This was the first of 4 videos. I hope you enjoy them all. And you can always reach out to me, Jen at jamminjenn.com. It's spelled JENN at jamminjenn.com. I hope you had a great time. I sure did. See you at the next video. Bye.